Okay, so here we are with the first unboxing video. That is going to be a new monitor that's from Dell, and it's 27 inches, so which I got it from Flipkart, and around it costed me around 12k. So without wasting further time, let's directly jump into the unboxing. A nice suggestion for success. Okay, so here we have some things which we will not be looking at. Again, this one too, something that directly goes into the dustbin. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, so this is our main adapter that's going in the monitor directly. Okay, we'll see it later. Okay, so we also have our HDMI here. Okay, next, let's see. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is a back covering that covers up mostly. We'll look at it later. Okay, next, this seems to be a stand. Yep, looks pretty nice. The finish is very much appreciated, and I also love the build. Decent. Okay, what's this? Okay, so this might be the thing that's holding the stand and the monitor, and I pretty much don't know what it is called, but let's assume it's a tower or something. Okay, so here's the big part. Okay, let's throw that away for a while. Okay, so here we are with our monitor. As said again, the build looks pretty good, and let's take off the outer coverings and just turn it around and keep. Let's see the front part now. Okay, so yeah, let's quickly start with the setup then. Okay, so let's quickly start then. Okay, here we go. Let's plug it in. Okay, the two things that goes in, and pretty much straightforward with just a screw to be tightened. Let's quickly go and tighten it. Okay, it's pretty solid. Okay, should be a simple one. This directly goes in. Okay, should sliding. Okay, that's it. Okay. So let's quickly check some compatibility tests. We have two laptops with me here. Let's check with my Mac, and then we can try it out with Windows. Okay, let's go ahead and let's put in the HDMI. Okay, plugged it in. Let's go and see. I've connected it, and let's see how it turns it on. Okay, so my Mac is there. Oh, so response time looks pretty good. So yes. So first things first, works well with Mac. Okay, so our Mac is done. Let's quickly do a round of check with our Windows. Okay, plug it in our HDMI port. Okay, here we go. Looks like it's scanned, and that's pretty much it, I guess. Okay, yeah, much more compatible when it comes to both. I think it's pretty much good. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Okay, so please show some love, like, comment, and also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.